Like I said, the bigger
pretty much have your whole body in it. That's for I have less. Keep it tight. I have less restriction. Same thing. Pick a side you want to go to. Open it and dig in.
Underneath. Yeah, there you go.
This is pressure. Generally, if I have higher pain tolerance, you might not dig in. So at that point, if you squeeze it, throw your whole body weight in. That's the key right there. You stay there right here, right there. Typically, somebody who knows what they are. I know how hard it is.
Did you go out in the circle already?
Right, you're right.
I'm just checking.
Yeah, if you want it, they're just.
No, I'm saying, did they do the competitive part already?
No.
No? Okay.
They'll be doing the actual submission after they complete all that.
See, I'm still out of space there. It's better than it was, I mean, before I could look down in between and see how much space in there. Now, his shoulder is up in there. Okay, we want the joint actually up right there. I've got to bring it tight enough. He's not going to let the legs up and I knew over about 24 years.
I don't want to put down too much pressure on it accidentally. So you can tell the difference.
Combat speed. Elbow to you. There you go. Pain's good.
Alright, so you guys are rolling around, you get them. Alright, you guys get your hooks in before they can get in defensive position. No matter what arm you guys get. Alright, all you're going to do is you're going to reach down like you're grabbing your toes. Okay? You're going to come under. Okay, so you guys all see the Adam's apple, you guys all see your elbow now. I'm going to line that up. Okay, so you're going to come back, you're going to grab your shoulder actually. You got stubby arms, try to do theirs. Come back and grab yours. The other arm, in a real fight, they're going to fight you, right? Okay, pop them in the nose. And that's going to be all the space. For this purpose, you guys are going to pull their hair back. Okay? Nice. Come back. Alright, grab your shoulder. You guys are going to row like you're rowing some weight. Row back. Okay? If you guys can't get them rowing, since you guys got your hooks in, take them to the mat and stretch them out like an accordion. That's going to open your neck up wide. So when you guys do this, I want you guys to do both arms. I want you guys to rotate. So you see, push them down. Yeah, when you're under like this, you guys can't get them by rowing. All you're going to do is take them to the mat. That's going to stretch them out like an accordion. So bigger guys with bigger necks will not give up. Alright? They're going to fight you longer and longer. So if you take them to the mat, the neck's going to stretch out. Eventually, you're either going to crush and shrink you, or you're going to get them to choke out. Either way, it's not going to be nice. So again, you guys got bigger necks, okay? You guys got smaller necks. I want you guys to do both arms. I want you guys to rotate. I want you guys to hold on as long as you can to the point where you're flat.
Huh? Yeah, I've been flashing all day yesterday.
I'm gonna go.
Either way, you're getting that row. fight after a while. All right, wiggle a little bit so you guys know what it's like. All right? When you guys are going to pee, it might take you a little while to get them in. Eliminate that space between your elbow notch and your Adam's apple.
All the way back to your other shoulder.
Right? Keep practicing, guys. Listen up. Once you guys rotate partners, get that neck, skin your neck. Okay. Too easy, right, guys? This is going to happen fast.
Oh, I'm taking video. You good? Yeah. But no.
Let me get my shirt off. Hold on.
Make sure you get it in there closer so it's like the other able to get it.
Am I doing it right?
Skyward. Over, back, hip up.
Hip up. Roll down foot. There you go. Right. Nice.
I have no pictures over here, but who's another group?
I wanted to go slow, so.
Yeah, it's only about the arm bar. You can get all pumped up and all of a sudden be like,
Yeah, they said, when we did it in basic, they said if you just fall back real quick with it, it's done.
you can get it. You can get it pretty quick without even realizing it. All it takes is a wrong pop back.
You want to try it again?
No, I'm not a big fan of practicing the arm bar. See it going bad.
Good side control position. He left his arm hanging out here. I'm going to secure it. Alright, thumb with grip on top. Alright, I'm going to start forming the frame. Under just like with the bent arm bar. Alright, but now I want to start working my leg up around his head. Rotate him up. Keeping my knees so he can't spin out. Taking his hand, put it back behind his head. Give me another demonstration. Secured the arm, it's under, grab my own wrist, start working the leg, up around his head, lean him towards me, keep my knee there, start putting his head, or his arm back towards his head. So, forming the frame the same way you did with the bent arm bar, except for the arm is not up, it's down. Okay? And it's not going this way, it's going this way. You just gotta try to work that leg around.
I'm feeling it.
Get this here.